Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to use Invideo AI in 2025 for easy video creation. Here, in Invideo we have version 3, which is working amazing for creating different videos that can be used for advertisement. Here we can write the script of any storyline for the video we want to create. And below here you can see, you can make animate film, create short videos. Let's make the animate film. Here we can adjust the minutes and the platform where we want to place the video. We can also adjust clip format and add more setting and customization like generative styles. Let pick one of the style. And now click on Continue. Now click on the Generate a Video button. The video is generating now. The software is analyzing the content and the setting we adjusted and creating a suitable video for me. Now here, you can switch to generative media as well as stock media. You can adjust the duration of your video. You can also adjust the audience requirement and platform according to your video. For using generative media, you have to buy the plan. It has the monthly plan as well as yearly plan with discount. There is more plan according to your work, you can buy the plan. For now, let's switch to stock media and adjust the duration to 30 seconds, audience and platform, and click on Generate button. Now the video is generating, and as you can see, that the video is generated. Here, by clicking on this side icon, you can see more options. You can add your own voice to your videos. For this, you have to upgrade your plan. You can choose monthly or yearly plans. You can also change text to clip, as well as change text to image, photo to image, and many more. And that's how you can use Invideo AI in 2025 for easy video creation. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.